Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday the 1st of September 2021 and the time is 5 minutes after 3 a.m. Central Time in the United States. So we already have the pre-market open. As you can see, some of the stocks that we are tracking today, starting with support.com, you can see that the price movement is actually negative. So far the price has dropped 2.30% and we are now looking at $30.64 per share, and we don't know how that's gonna move, but I think we might have an initial drop and then the price goes up, because most people predict that about $30 would be the support level for support.com. So the stock, most people are looking forward or expecting it to probably get to about $30, but not much below that, and then from there the sky is the limit. The next stock we're gonna look at is BBIG, which is the ticker symbol for Vinco Ventures Inc. And as we can see on the pre-market, it's down 1.35%, and right now the time is 3:07, so we are just 7 minutes into the pre-market. It's very early to tell what the price movement is gonna be for today, but so far the stock is valued at about that was a big drop, $7.96 per share, which is a drop of 2.33%. Next we look at XELA, which is with the ticker symbol XELA, and yesterday, the 31st of August, we had the price go up by 12.61%, which was an excellent performance. But today, pre-market, we have the stock down 1.54%, which is not too bad, and the stock is exchanging hands at $2.55. One other stock I want to talk about is one of the Chinese companies, and it has the ticker symbol LAIX Inc. And for the pre-market, it is up 11.86%. So just for the heads up, this stock went up yesterday, I believe about 11% in the pre-market, during the normal trading session, and after market it went as high as about, I think, 25% before dropping to about 15%. Already we see on the pre-market it's up about 14 cents, trading at about $1.32 right now. That's what it's valued at. Excellent performance for the stock. And one last stock we will take a look at is Zoom Video Communications Inc. So Zoom yesterday had a massive drop of almost 17% in the stock price, and today in the pre-market it is up almost, I would say, 20%, 0.18%, and that represents about 51 cents. So it looks like it will be recouping some of the losses that it made yesterday. So those are the stocks I will be tracking today. If you are in the market, I hope you have your ducks all lined up. That way you can take advantage of any of the price movements that we will observe in the market today. Thanks for joining me early today. It's 10 minutes after 3 a.m. and we are still in the pre-market, observing very closely what's happening with some of the stocks that we've been tracking on this channel. So here we have the stock and ticker symbol of which SPRT, which is for support.com, and now we have a reversal, and support.com is showing an increase of $1 is 1.72%, trading at $31.90. So that's a quick reversal of those very early losses we saw on the pre-market once the market opened today at 3 o'clock Central Time US. Next, we move to Vinco Ventures BBIG. It's 11 minutes since the pre-market opened, and here we still have a negative outlook, even though it's closing, it's reversing, and now it was about 2%. Now we have 1.72% in the red, and it seems like it's reversing, and soon we might actually see some green. XELA also opened up in the negative. Right now we are showing 1.54 negative 1.54, which quickly changed to negative 0.39. So all of these stocks are quickly making gains, reversing the very early negative trends that we saw. And XELA Technologies, which gained 12.61% yesterday, right now is at negative 0.39% and seems to be covering some of that negative ground. And hopefully by the time the market actually opens for regular trading, we will be looking at some very positive numbers. The next stock we're looking at is LAIX Inc., and they opened up with already a very positive numbers that they are posting, and right now we are looking at about 12.71% increase in the stock price. That's almost 13%, and if you add that to the gains they made after hours yesterday and the gains they made during yesterday's session, LAIX has done rather very well for itself over the past 5 days. And you can see over the past 5 days it's posting an increase of about 19.19%. Right now in the pre-market we are up 11.02%. And finally, Zoom Video Communications is up 0.17%, and this comes after losses of 16.69% that occurred yesterday during the regular trading session. So by and large, I think we will see some very positive numbers today in the market. Good luck to you if you are already invested in any of these stocks, or if you are invested in other stocks. I hope your portfolio does well once the market opens today. Good luck to all. This is not financial advice. I am just giving some commentaries on stocks which I find interesting. Thanks for watching. We will keep a close eye on the market today, and I'll see you guys around. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and that way we can keep the momentum going. Bye.